Your Honor, I have rent to retain of $4,948.16. Cost of $186.00 for a total of $5,000.
Right out the gate, thousands of dollars in unpaid rent. This is the kind of number that can make or break a case. Stick around, because the judge isn't going to let this slide easily.
$134.16. Your Honor, at this time, we would be requesting entry of a judgment as this is the second hearing.
Yes, ma'am.
I paid $44.30 today before I came here.
You paid. Hold on a second. You paid $44.30.
Yep. And 90 cents.
$4,400.
Yes, sir.
And what?
Here's the legal problem. Without receipts or proof of payment, the court has no reason to believe the tenant's story. In landlord-tenant cases, proof is everything.
90 cents.
Were you going to leave that off or what? No, 90 cents. So, do you have any record of that?
Your Honor, I do not have.
Probably not. I just did it before I came up here, literally.
Oh, she just did it.
Yeah, Your Honor, I did not receive confirmation of that.
Okay, so if Davis, you can make me do math.
I'm sorry.
No, that's up. No.
I brought copies for you, Judge.
What'd you say?
I brought copies for you. She signed it at the office.
They're going to do math, but they're going to do it loudly.
Okay.
What's the number?
I believe 703.26.
That's left for September, right?
703.26 is what she owes if she paid that. Can I see those receipts?
Yeah.
Why did you wait till the last minute?
Because I was trying to get.
You spent all your time up at Kroger. That's where you got the.
Yeah.
Never mind. No, don't even. Oh my goodness.
An interesting twist, the rental office confirms some payments were received. But here's the catch. Timing and documentation still matter. Would you trust last-minute payments like this if you were the landlord?
Did they get these?
Yeah. She made the copy of them for me at the Arborwood.
Okay. So, you handed these. She made this copy that you're handing me.
Yeah, that's from the rental office.
Okay. All right. So they did get it. All right.
Your Honor, if you would want to pass this matter, I could and confirm.
Yeah, I'll pass it just a second. So when would you pay the additional $703 at the last minute? No, I'm kidding. Go ahead.
Just next Friday. I told her that I could bring the rest.
You're going to pay it on the 12th?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to pass the case since you waited. And she's going to check to make sure that her client has them.
Okay.
And then we may do something a little bit different.
Okay.
Hang on, let me give you these back.
Okay.
Since you brought those pretty little things up.
Because I knew it was cutting close, and I figured.
So, at what point did that occur to you?
You told me to do it yesterday, but I didn't have time. So.
Okay, so why did I tell you yesterday?
So
that we wouldn't be in this. See, if you listen, in the case of Arbor Woods versus Corey Davis.
Notice the shift in tone? Judges get especially irritated when the math doesn't add up. And in eviction hearings, every missing dollar can mean the difference between staying in your home or being out on the street.
Casey Matson on behalf of plaintiff.
And Ms. Davis is present. All right, what do we find out?
Your Honor, I did talk with my client. They did only receive 3 money orders. That totals $2,897.34.
5 money orders, 3 from Kroger, 2 from Western Union. But here's the problem. The landlord only shows 3 payments. Miss Davis swears she paid all 5, but the receipts are missing, the dates don't match, and the judge is getting frustrated fast. If those 2 missing payments aren't confirmed, she could lose her home. If you were the judge, would you trust her story or move forward with eviction?
Hold on, let me
Yeah.
see those for a second.
I copied it onto someone else's and they ran out of color.
They what?
I gave her all 4 of those, 5 today.
5?
Yeah.
Did you by chance get the amount? Did you say 2,897?
And 34 cents.
Yeah. Okay. So that's these 3.
And then I have to take her those.
Oh.
Yeah. I put those in the she made a copy for me.
Of these?
Yeah. Just now.
But why are these in color? Those are black and white.
She ran out of color.
So there are 2 other. So the ones that you're referring to are 3 money orders from Kroger.
Yeah.
She's provided to me Kroger 2 others that are Western Union. One for 1,000, and then one for $533.56. But they're saying they only received 3?
Yes, Your Honor. My client did send me a picture of the 3 Kroger ones.
Right.
Are the Western Union ones dated by chance?
I don't.
I have the dated part in my car.
The what?
I have the receipt part, I believe, in my car that you ripped off. Right,
but she's looking for a date on them.
Yeah, I think the date is usually on the part that the person that I take off. So I do.
Well, on the
Wait, what the receipts show 2024 dates, but the tenant swears she bought them today in 2025. That's a massive red flag. Do you think this is a mistake or something more suspicious?
No, this says, hang on one quick second. These are from 24.
Which one?
The ones that are in color. Miss Manson, I don't know how far you can go back in her account, but October 24, it looks like these are dated October 2nd, 2024.
What? I just bought them today.
Because the other ones, their date is 9/5/25, the 3 from Kroger, but these 2 are from 2024.
Your Honor, I do have 2 money orders from October 5th of 2024. One was for $1,000 and the other one was for $533.56.
These were paid last year, Ms. Davis.
Why did she get?
What?
She gave me.
Pardon?
I have it inside of my car.
Yeah,
all
but those,
5 of them. She told me that.
So the ones that are in black and white, Ms. Madsen verified they received those. The 1533.84 were not. Oh, go ahead. What is it?
1533.56.
Okay.
56.
This wasn't.
What number did you come down to? 703.
I'd have to do the math again because I closed it out. Give me 1 second. It's 50 something. 703.26.
You had seven, say again.
26.
Where are you going, miss? Go ahead. So I have a balance then at 20, if I subtract those out, I would have her balance at 2236.82. I don't know if that's what you come to, Miss Mass.
To 2236.82, yes. Your Honor, since those money orders were dropped off right before, though, they have not been applied to her balance yet. So we would still be requesting.
You'd want the whole judgment and then let those come off. Okay.
Yes,
that makes sense. Ms. Davis, what are you looking for?
I was calling my mom, but how much did you say, Judge?
How much did I say for what?
That was left. 22 what?
Well, if those 3 Kroger ones that they have, they were applied to your account, you're still short 2236.82.
Okay.
Ms. Davis, I realize you're showing me those copies, but you're saying you have money orders that you would give them.
Yeah.
Okay. So
with the 1,000 on, with this on there, it was 730 that you said, right?
703.
Okay.
Well,
by Thursday again?
What?
By Thursday?
What do you mean by Thursday? I don't think I'm going to do it that way.
Okay.
If all 5 of those had been paid over and you were down under $1,000 considering where you were, I would adjourn it out a week for you to get that paid in. I'm not going to do that at this point.
Okay.
Okay, because 2 of those 1,500 weren't paid over. They don't have those, Ms. Davis.
And there it is, judgment entered. The tenant now has just days to pay over $2,200 or face eviction. A brutal reminder that in court, late payments and missing proof don't win sympathy.
So if you got other ones that match them someplace else, fine. That you didn't turn over, then you need to get those to the landlord. You'll have, what I'm going to do is I'm going to find no tribal issue after a hearing in this case. So listen closely to what I'm going to do, Ms. Davis.
Okay.
I'm going to issue the judgment in the 5134.16.
Mm-hmm.
That's the full amount that's due. They will apply the money orders that they have, so that's going to bring that balance down. And the writ will issue the 15th. So you have until the 15th to get that, basically that 2236 paid.
Okay. But if the okay.
If what?
Nothing. I will talk to them at the office.
Okay, because you got any questions about what I did? Because you told me you could get the 703 certainly to them by the 12th.
Yeah.
But now you've got 1533, whatever, 80 or 56 that you need to get to them.
Okay.
In addition to the 7. So.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. You have a good weekend.